Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 35 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In today's lecture I am going to show you the ICT market maker buy model. In the previous videos I will show you what is the ICT market maker sell model, and this Tuesday video I will going to show you what is the market maker buy model. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it, as I make a free content for you. You will find a playlist on my YouTube channel of the name of ICT A to Z beginner series. Okay, everything from A to Z are mentioned there in a short video, not a long, no extra talking, so you can find there. And if you want to join my Telegram free channel, you will find also link in the description below. And there is some good broker and the good prop firms which from where I got the payouts. You will find the link in the description below. So let's get started. Before I jump into the example, I will show you a little bit theoretically here. So in the buy model, what you will see first a consolidation. Okay, then market leave that consolidation. It may be or maybe not, it will retest that consolidation. Okay, that can be called first stage of accumulation, and then market again retest the up close candles. Okay, here the second stage of reaccumulation, then reach in some sort of POI, that can be a fair value gap, anything. Okay, then smart money reversal. You will find here any ICT model for buy model like 22 model or breaker block, order block, first stage of distribution, second stage, and the liquidity. Excuse me for my diagram. Okay, here you will see first accumulation. Here is the your smart money reversal. Okay, this one, first stage of distribution, second stage of distribution, and your liquidity. So these things will happen on a specific time. It can be your London AM session, it can be your London PM session, or New York AM session, New York PM session. Let me show you what does it mean by that. I am in the GBP USD. We are in the 5-minute time frame. So let's hop into the chart. So as you see, we have these three color. This will be for Asia, this will be for London, and this will be for New York. Okay, so we have these box is a 1 hour fair value gap where price reprices. Pause the video and watch these price action. You will see both model, ICT buy model and sell model, in the London and New York as well. Just pause the video and see. Okay guys, if you're not, I will going to show you what is that here. Okay, so in buy model we have this consolidation, right? You see the consolidation how is reacting. Okay, bodies, once it's leave, okay, we have this order block. Okay, price retest it, first stage of accumulation, reach to our POI. So once it reach here, we will buy here. It's called a low risk buy and the smart money reversal. We have the swing high, shift. We didn't have fair value gap, but we have this order block. Okay, first stage of distribution, you will buy here. What is the confluence is, we took the liquidity of London low, right? Buy here, first stage of distribution, second stage of distribution. Here this is the fair value gap, price came, and you have this liquidity above side. What is the time the price reverse? 10 AM New York time, UTC -4 New York time. When it reached the liquidity, 3 PM. AM session is start and PM session it will be take the liquidity, right? Okay, let me show you here something, another thing for your extra knowledge. If you see, you have here sell model as well. Where? Consolidation in a 3 a.m. London time, London session, sorry, in London session 3 a.m. New York time. Leave first stage of accumulation, reach into the some sort of POI, smart money reversal, okay, a low risk sell area. We leave first stage of distribution, and then we have this liquidity, right? Another buy model, consolidate, leave this fair value gap, first stage of what is that? Accumulation in the POI, smart money reversal, a low risk buy, upside order block, first stage of distribution, and your upside liquidity. Okay, now I will tell you something here where you will find this type of setup. Let's suppose this leg is a daily leg, okay, the each candle, not a 5 minute, for example, daily. When you see these type of candles, maybe not you will find this type of setups, market maker buy and sell. But if you see some sort of consolidate or pause in the price action, you will find out this type of setup. Okay, so this is for your learning. Go for your chart, go to your chart and back test it on your asset class, what you are trading. You are maybe trading NQ, you may be trading a future contract, you may be trading a crypto, you may be trading gold. So go on your asset and watch, did you find this setup in a week or in a month? Then we will get to know. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Until next time, be safe.